And this is the MSI Z790 S Wi-Fi motherboard. It supports 14th, 13th and 12th generation CPU processors from Intel. This is, I hope you can see, this lighting is not very good, but I hope you can see it. So Wi-Fi 6E, M2 shielded SSD, 2 slots, 2.5G LAN, Lightning Gen S. Oh, this focusing is terrible. Let me, oh, okay, and here is it. Yeah, I don't know why I'm holding like this. You can stop the video and read the specification yourself, but I'm going to do a quick unboxing here. Oh my god, this focusing is terrible. Here we go. Here we have the Wi-Fi antennas. I'm going to show you in a minute how you are going to fit this onto the motherboard, because it's a little bit well, not tricky, but you need to know. You have the back plate, padded back plate. Sorry for the focusing and the light. Okay. Your SATA cables, manual, and here is the motherboard. I'm going to close the box, just a minute here. Here we go. Here is the beautiful motherboard. Oh, also here the screws. Luckily I didn't lost them. So here it is. Let's hold it like you would fit it in your motherboard, in your case. So yeah, the 4 DDR5 sorry, RAM slots, your PCI 5 slot. I bought this motherboard in preparation for the future NVIDIA 5000 series graphic cards. Your PCI 3 slot, M2 slot, another M2 slot, processor slot, of course, and here is the Wi-Fi antenna tricky situation spot. See, you have to unscrew this screw here, and here are 2 pins where you are going to fit, let me just leave this here, where you are going to fit these cables. Let me just take it out from the bag. Scissors would have been nice. I just beat it. Bite it, beat it, whatever it's called. Yes. So here is the, oh, this phone doesn't focus very well. Sorry about that, but I think you got the idea. So you're going to unscrew that screw over there and fit these cables there. Here we are going to put it in the back of your computer case, and you are going to screw these antennas after that in each of these position, well, antenna. It's not hard, but you have to know this. So yeah, this is the motherboard. There's not much to talk about it. All the specifications you can find it online, and this is the Wi-Fi antenna. Let me just get this also outside. I'm a bit nervous. I've never did this unboxing kind of stuff, so I'm not very structured in this aspect. Yeah, see, you just unscrew screw this here, Man, this phone will not focus on anything. You screw antenna, you screw antenna. You have screws here to fix it. Of course, you can bend it to be up, and you fit this cable here into this. Just unscrew this screw here and press it there, and that's how you put the Wi-Fi antenna. I've read only good reviews about this motherboard. Also, the price was, let's call it correct. You have 4 USB 3 new generation slot. You have USB Type-C here. Of course, USB to HDMI, DisplayPort, and audio connectors. So yeah, this is the motherboard.